Hello, and welcome to Buddhism with Uditha. I'm Uditha, and today we are starting a beautiful journey through the Dhammapada, one of the most practical and beloved Buddhist teachings in the world. Today, let's look at the very first verse of the Dhammapada, which teaches us about the true power of our own mind. The verse goes like this: Mano pubangama dhamma, mano seta manomaya. Manasa che padutena, bhashati wa karoti wa, tato nam dukkhaman veti, chakam wa wahato padam. What does this mean in simple English? It means mind is the forerunner of all actions. Mind is the master. Everything is made of mind. The Buddha beautifully explains that if we speak or act with an impure or negative mind, suffering will definitely follow us. It follows us just like the wheel of a cart follows the hoof of the ox that pulls it. The ox cannot escape the wheel, and we cannot escape the results of our negative thoughts. The lesson for our everyday life is very clear. Our happiness or our sadness does not come from the outside world. It starts right here in our own mind. If we want a peaceful and happy life, we must first learn to watch our thoughts and keep our minds pure. Thank you for joining me today. Try to observe your thoughts today and see how they shape your reality. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Buddhism with Uditha for more simple Buddhist wisdom. May you be well and happy.